Okay, you know that gametogenesis means the formation of male gamete as well as female gamete. We have studied spermatogenesis, means the formation of sperm. And here, now we have to study oogenesis. So what is that oogenesis? Oogenesis is the formation of ova, ovum, or one can say the egg from the diploid germinal epithelial cell. So what is that here? Oogenesis means here is the formation of ova, ovum, or that is egg. That ova, ovum, egg, that one is haploid in nature. Haploid. So haploid ova, ovum, eggs, that is nothing but the female gametes. Female gamete. So that female gametes are called as the ova, ovum, or eggs. That one is haploid. And where from that one is formed? That one is formed from the diploid germinal epithelial cell. So that is formed from what? Here, from the diploid germinal epithelial cells. Epithelial cells. That germinal epithelial cells, that one is present in ovary. The formation of that gametes, that one is taking place, female gamete, that is taking place where? It is taking place inside the ovary. So inside that ovary, in a female, that one is taking place. So here is also the formation of that oocyte, that is ovum. That one is divided into three phases. So what is that three phases? The first phase is just like that spermatogenesis. First one is the multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. Second one is growth phase. Second one is a growth phase. And here, third one is a maturation phase. Maturation phase. So this one is here, what is that? This is called as a oogenesis. याच्यासाठी शब्द आहे फिगर आपल्याकडे इथे ही oogenesis ची आहे. Oogenesis. This one is. So first phase is multiplication phase. So what happened in that multiplication phase? We have studied in a male after the puberty. That means when there is an onset of puberty, at that time that one is taking place. But here is the difference. In a female, what happened? Prior to the birth, that means in an embryonic condition, here that primary germinal cells that divides and that forms a millions of gamete mother cell. So what happened here? In an embryonic condition in the body of a female inside the ovary, that means before the birth, that multiplication phase, that means here, see this one is, that is the primary germinal cell that forms the oogonia. So that formation of oogonia, that is taking place inside the ovary during the embryonic stage before the birth of a female, that baby. So primary germinal cells are the diploid in nature. That diploid cell divides by means of a mitosis. So mitosis is the cell division where the equational cell division, chromosome number, that one is carried to the daughter cell, that is equal. So here during the multiplication phase, that cells divides and that forming how many gonia? That oogonia, millions of oogonia, that one is formed. that is also called as a gamete mother cell. So this one is oogonia, that is also called as a gamete mother cell. So that one is taking place inside the embryonic stage in an ovary. So one can say oogenesis starts prior to the birth of female baby. म्हणजे मुलीच्या जन्माच्या अगोदर ही जी oogenesis प्रोसेस आहे ती सुरुवात होत असते. म्हणजे हे जे गॅमेट्स तयार करायचे आपल्याला हॅप्लॉइड गॅमेट्स, त्याची सुरुवात कुठून होत असते? जन्माच्या अगोदर मुलीच्या. काय होतं? हे प्रायमरी जर्मिनल सेल जे असतात त्या प्रायमरी जर्मिनल सेलचं डिव्हिजन होत राहतं आणि तिथे oogonia तयार होतात. त्या oogonia पण कशा असतात? डिप्लॉइड असतात आणि ह्या मिलियन्स ऑफ तयार होतात. त्याच्या पुढची जी फेज आहे तिचं नाव आहे ग्रोथ फेज. सो हिअर इज द ग्रोथ फेज. काय होतं या ग्रोथ फेज मध्ये oogenesis मध्ये? oogonia that become larger in size. So there is a increasing synthesizing different type of cell organelles, protoplasm. So here the size of that oogonia that increases and there is a formation of primary oocyte. So here only the size is increased. So here if the oogonia is diploid, then that primary oocyte is also here diploid that carry the 46 chromosome. So here that carry the 46 chromosome. Then next to that there is a maturation phase. So what is that maturation phase? Here that maturation phase, that one is taking place. When that one is taking place? When there is a conversion of that primary oocyte into the secondary oocyte. So here first meiosis is taking place. Meiosis first, it is the reduction of cell division. So karyokinesis is taking place normally. Karyokinesis is normally means what is that? So that number of chromosome, that one is divided into two daughter cells. If that carry the 46 chromosome, then these two cells carry how many chromosome? 23. So